So this is an SNR first. Walking home.
What's up, everybody? So last week, if you watched our little 0 to 60 challenge, at the end we opened up a care package from our good buddy Joe. So he sent me some ISCs to take care of my little problem I'm having, that, you know, when I let my foot off the accelerator, it just dies. And he also sent me a maf-t. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Swap out the ISC, hook up the maf-t. I also made a list of other stuff that I'd like to accomplish today. So my oil drain for the turbo, it's got a little bit of a kink in it, so I want to fix that. I have a leak on my slave cylinder, and I'd like to get the fenders, bumper, and hood on today as well. But we'll see if we have time for all that. The main thing is to swap out the ISC and see if that fixes my problem. So we're going to jump into that and get to work. So I found another potential problem. This bolt was in my throttle body, and it doesn't even fit. It doesn't even thread in. So I got to find a different bolt to put in there, because that could be a nice little leak too. All right, so got the new ISC on, and I replaced the bolt that was too short. So hopefully the throttle body is sealing properly now. And Randall is still plugging away on this maf-t. Just about to, I got that finished up. Just got to do a little bit of wiring, and that'll be good to go. So now I guess I'm gonna work on getting the fenders put on, and then hopefully the bumper once he's done with that over there. And also I got to fix the oil drain too. So plugging right along. ISC's installed, maf-t's installed, fenders are on. We're fixing the oil drain right now, so let's go ahead and come over here and cross some stuff off the list. So we got fenders, maf-t, ISC, oil drain taken care of. So I have a little bit of a leak on my slave cylinder, and then we gotta throw the bumper and the hood on, but it's getting to about 8 o'clock. So once we get this oil drain on, I'm gonna start it up, let it warm up, and see if my problem is fixed. Alright, so everything's set and ready to go, so we're gonna start it up, let it warm up, and take it for a spin, probably, hopefully. I'll also reset my battery to see if it clears, the ISC clears with the new ISC on it. So here goes nothing. beeping is I got a little LED light slash buzzer hooked up to my diagnostic port to see if the ISC code comes back.
Super herky jerky. Well, at least it didn't die.
Yeah. Wonder if that green wire is still. And it died. You know what?
What?
I bet I'm out of gas. So that, I guess we found out why it was cutting out. I just ran out of gas. So now we got to walk back to my house and get the gas can.
So this is an SNR first. Walking home.
It's bound to happen sooner, right?
Oh yeah, I'm just surprised. It's taken. I'm not really sure what that is.
Oh.
It's part of your car.
Oh.
Why don't you talk to your boy, Jerry?
What?
He might hook you up with some gas.
I think I got some.
Money and metal, baby.
Yeah. Alright, so we got some gas for it, so now we're going to bring it back to my house. Hopefully it doesn't die. Alright, so the GoPro battery died, so couldn't record the trip back to the house. But anyway, good news and bad news. The ISC code is cleared with the new ISC on it, but it's still dying after acceleration. So should have done this a long time ago, but we're going to go ahead and check for vacuum leaks with a smoke tester. I'm not going to do that today because our time limit's up and whatnot. But so yeah, we're going to check for vacuum leaks. I don't know really what else it could be. When we did get it back into the garage, I took the line for the blow-off valve off and capped it, and I revved it up a little, and it still stumbled and stalled out, and so it's not the blow-off valve. So don't know what else it could be. But anyway, March 21st, if we can sort everything out on both cars, we're still gonna go regardless. But March 21st, Darlington Dragway in Hartsville, South Carolina, we'll be out there. They're doing a streetcar shootout. A group called Columbia Car Meets is putting it on. So I'll put all the links in the description as always. And if you want to help, support our channel and whatnot, you can always head on over to patreon.com and search for us. And also you can go to sandrmotoring.com and pick up some merch. We just released some new shirts on there. So go there and check those out. So for you super guys, I got 2 channels for you to check out. One is called Build One More, and the other is called Old School Spool. Links will be in the description, so go check them out too. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. Without your support, none of this would be worth it. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next week.